everybody, welcome back to my channel. So let's do Taurus today. Let's see what are the messages for you. This is going to be Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs in Taurus. This is a general reading. Take what resonates, leave what does not. For personal readings, I'm available on Instagram or WhatsApp. By the way, you can also enroll in my upcoming manifestation workshop. Okay, for that you can WhatsApp me or Instagram me. You can also email me. The details are given below. So yeah, limited seats. So if you want to join, okay, to learn how to manifest things by magic, white magic, okay, not black, so you can enroll. Okay, so yeah, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram for more updates. Alright, someone from the past wants to reach out to you. Sagittarius energy. I feel this is not over yet. Your person is not done with you. Maybe they said that it's over or you ended this, but now this person is feeling it's not they feel like it's not as easy as it was once to reach out to you. Okay, because there has been a kind of a tiff between you guys. And Taurus, I feel like you have options. So this is the reason why I feel this person feels it's harder to reach out to you unlike before. So yeah, right now they feel left out in the cold. They feel like as if you've closed the door on them. Okay, because you may not be communicating with them. You're showing cold shoulder. Even though you have emotions, Taurus, but you're not communicating. You have your back on this person. You may have said something which was straight on point, which was cutthroat, but it was honest. And this person couldn't take it. Now they're feeling guilty, but they want to keep up with their ego, so be it. Okay. So yeah, right now I feel they find it difficult to impress you or reach out to you because you've come to know that this is not what you're looking for. Now their true colors are coming out and now you're in the power of manifesting anything that you want, Taurus. So right now you're in a power to manifest anything. This could be an Aries, Sagittarius, Leo or Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Could be Cancer as well, Sagittarius special. So I feel like right now you are going to receive a message from this person, or you will see that they're making efforts to reach out to you. And this is because you manifested this, you worked on this, your desire actually reached out to the universe and it's giving you back what you asked for. So yeah, this person wants you back and I feel like now they are feeling love for you. They're falling in love with you. A person is falling in love with you. Yes, there's a very high possibility. And this could be a Gemini person. Okay, I see their energy is very what is that called, is very high. Okay, they're very sensitive right now. That is why the cards are falling out like anything. I feel like this is going to be a big risk, so they're going to take a leap of faith towards you. They're going to reach out to you and they feel like you will take them back. They're pretty positive about it. Okay, even though they feel they'll have to make more efforts unlike before, but yes, you will take them back. And this is a Gemini person. Okay, they see you as the one for them. They see you as a soulmate. They miss the love that you gave them once, because that kind of love they're not able to get from anywhere. And I feel like this time they just want to come towards you with a stable offer. They want to lay a stable foundation with you. Okay, and I do see like Taurus, because you're in this energy, you're ready to manifest new love. And I also see a new job coming in, or a promotion or a raise. Just look out for it in April or May. I see this coming for Taurus very soon. I see love also reaching out to you. It's because you've started taking yourself seriously and you're not letting anybody take you for granted. And this is the reason why all of the good things are happening into your life. I see new things, new energy. You're ready to move on. And I also feel like you don't care anymore this person reaches out to you or not. Okay, because right now you're simply loving, enjoying your own company. And I do see you growing. I do see your communication skills also getting better and better. You're manifesting whatever you're looking for. I see a new person also reaching out to you if it's not the past one. But yes, I see definitely love is reaching out to you. Okay, from somewhere. Also see some of you, there's a strong message that it's an ending that made you really hurt, that hurt you a lot, but that ending needed to happen because this was a karmic connection. that person was karmic for you and you had to move on. So if this is a complete ending with someone and you were finding it difficult to move on, it's time that you will find new love. And if it's not a complete ending, which I don't think, then the past person sees you as a new love, okay? And they want to reach out to you with a new energy. They've realized that you love yourself and you won't allow this person to take you for granted. This could be a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. I feel like this person's falling in love with you. They're not showing you that. They're sitting at home alone, or they're sitting alone and just missing the time that you guys spend and just missing the communication. And the heart is crying out for you. That's how I sense. And they're giving themselves so much trouble. They're just not reaching out to you. They're afraid of reaching out to you. The wish they want to be with, you're like a wish fulfillment to them, okay? They want to be with you no matter what. Oh, wow. So right now, if you're wondering why this person is not talking to you, don't bother, because this person wants to be with you and they see you as the one. They see you as a future partner. They see you as a future wife, future husband, okay? Future spouse, and they want to spend the rest of their life with you. I see a lot of love here. This person is fully, madly, deeply in love with you, and it's because you started taking yourself seriously and they now realize your worth. Definitely they realize who you are, okay, where you come from. So yeah, I see like you've started loving yourself, Taurus. You're not afraid of showing your true emotions and you're pretty confident about it. This person has never found someone like you, and definitely I see this person saying this to you very soon. They are attracted to you because you are showing your vulnerability. Your vulnerable side is extremely attractive. I feel like this is making this person difficult to move on, and now they've had a sudden realization that you're the one for them, okay? So they're not moving on, they're coming back. So after this fallout was important because they've realized your worth. This is a sudden realization that they've felt they never have felt with anybody else. So yeah, this person is pushing away options. Like they have options and now they want to be like, just go away because I don't want to lose them. I don't want to lose my Taurus. So yeah, they're pushing away all the options to be with you, and they feel like they're ready to take all the burdens that come across while this connection goes. And I feel like this person is very, very positive to be in this connection with you, and they're ready to take the efforts. They're ready to face the problems, okay, that come across in this connection. I feel like right now they just want to resolve issues with you. Yeah, they're coming to express their true love. Yeah, see these three cards. Aren't they telling you the same thing? Express. So they're ready to express. They are the new love for you. And I feel like this person wants to reach out to you with all the new energy after the separation. The separation has helped really open their eyes, and they really realized what they were missing or what they were having and what they are missing. See? Very clear message that this is a reconciliation. Definitely this person wants to reach out to you, reconcile with you, say a lot of things, okay, that you always wanted to hear. And this person knows that you were wanting this connection to happen, and now they know, and now they're bringing you with the 10 of Pentacles, the marriage offer. So I see this is very, very strongly happening. I don't see a full separation happen. I feel like this person was pretty wishy-washy and in and out of your life. So you started moving away from them, and they realized that. And when you were away from this person, that's when this person realized what they were missing, okay? And they realize your worth. Realize your worth very, very strongly. And I do see this person is going to come with a lot of communication. Like they won't let you sleep. Like there's going to be so much communication between you guys. So I feel like this person is pretty positive about this connection, so you should be as well. And this person sees you as someone who doesn't deserve a bad treatment. You deserve love. You don't deserve a bad treatment. So they've realized that. And they also don't want this coming from you either to them. So yeah, all the best to you guys, Taurus. I really enjoyed this reading, short and sweet. One last card I will pull for you guys, Taurus, before ending this. Stay strong in your power, and I feel like if you don't reveal each and everything to this person, how you feel or what's going on in your life, you're always going to stay a mystery and exciting person for this human, okay, whoever you're dealing with. This could be a Pisces or a Leo, strongly connecting with you, but they like this mysteriousness that you carry with yourself, Okay, you may have Scorpio strongly in your chart somewhere. So I feel like as long as you're mysterious, this person's gonna stay attracted to you. Yeah, I feel like you've started rejecting this person, looking for new options. That is why they want to reach out to you and tell you how they feel. They have options also, okay, but they're focused on you. Especially you, Taurus. You have a lot of options, okay, here. But that doesn't mean that you take a decision, what I tell you. You have to go by your own instinct as well. So that's about it, Taurus. I hope you've enjoyed it. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell, and we will see you next time with more such videos. Stay blessed and stay safe.